Enter LunaProxy official website. Position the mouse on the Solutions navigation bar. Select Social Networking from the list below. Enter the Social Network Agent page. LunaProxy targets various social networks. Launch a variety of agency solutions. Shopping proxy includes agency solutions for mainstream shopping platforms. For example, Amazon proxies, TikTok shop proxies, etc. Social and news proxy covers all major social media. For example, INS, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. These are the largest social media platforms in the world. LunaProxy offers residential proxies that adapt perfectly to. There are also Bing proxies and Craigslist proxies. Whatever your social agency needs are, LunaProxy can provide perfect services, help you navigate the global network.